Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. Dola guide step by step how to manage and change app permission. So here right now I'll be teaching you how to change your app permission here at Dola. So when you're using your Dola to change a few app permission, all you need to do is open up your Dola. So there's two ways of doing this. So first way is by going to your settings. So I'm going to show you the first way. Here, once we're at our settings, all we need to do is find apps right here. And then click on app management. After here we are at management, find Dola, example right here, Dola. After pressing on Dola right there, we can change its permissions right here. Click on permission and you can now change Dola's permission right there. You can change the location, microphone, and all of those stuff right there. And the second way of changing the app permission on Dola is on the app itself. So we're gonna go there. So I'll see you guys there. So now we are here at the Dola app. So here at the Dola app, we need to just press on the profile in the bottom right corner. After pressing on the profile in the bottom right corner, click on the settings icon top right corner. After doing that, just go down till you see privacy and access. Press on that. After pressing on that, you will see access right here. So here at access, you can now change the permission apps right here. You see right now. Now, all we need to do is press on it. Pressing on it, and then click on settings right there. Then here we'll be located to our settings like earlier. Then once you're here, click on the permission right here. Then now you can change what you want to change. But when you go back, as you can see right now, it will go back automatically to the Dola app. So I suggest doing this one because it's much more easier going back to the Dola app rather than going back to many other apps so to get to Dola. But here I suggest you can either do both of them. So yeah, I suggest using the second method, but depending on you, on what you want. But yeah, that's how you do it. So yeah, there you go guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions, you can type the comment below. We'll be happy to answer you guys. And thank you guys. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.